Guys, I ate some mushrooms today and they gave my stomach chills. Look, there's a tent. Let's see what we got here. Guys, please pray that I find some sort of medicine here. Guys, I couldn't hold any longer and took a shit there. I think one of the hikers saw me. Guys, they found me and they are gonna kill me. Shitting there was a bad idea.
Oh my God, these people are so generous. Ever since I arrived here, haven't spent a penny. Free food everywhere.
That's not coffee, that's rocket fuel. I can taste my ancestors.
This generous dude gave me a lift, guys. I swear I'm staying here forever.
Apparently, this door only opens if you have the Force, which I definitely don't.
Okay, if I see that weird head again, I'm filing for a transfer to Death Star Janitorial.
If you want to create Bigfoot vlogs or Stormtrooper vlogs or any AI influencer vlogs with character and audio consistency, then this is the only guide you need. In this video, I'll provide the exact formula that is being used to create these viral videos with consistency. I'll show how you can use VEO3 for 15 months free, how to create Bigfoot vlogs, Stormtrooper vlogs, and get consistent videos and audio. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to get free access to VEO3. There's a student offer from Google right now. Google's secret student deal gives you 15 months of free access to their most powerful AI video tools. Exclusive to students in select countries, this offer unlocks Google V3's Hollywood-level video generation, along with other tools, completely free until 2026. First, the eligibility check. This golden ticket is currently available for students in just 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Brazil, Japan, and Indonesia. If you're studying in any of these countries, perfect, you're good to go. But if not, don't worry, I've got a special workaround coming right up. So here's the step-by-step process. If you're located in the US, UK, Brazil, Japan, or Indonesia, and you're a student, you can simply use your school or college email and get access to it for free. If you're outside these countries, some pages might not load correctly or show the student offer at all. So if you have access to a VPN, and set your location to the United States. But heads up, I don't recommend using random free VPNs. They're often slow, insecure, and can compromise your data. Especially you can't trust those when the payment method is used. Instead, I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and reliable. And I've added a special link in the description where you can get up to 76% off their annual plans. Once connected to the US server, you're good to go. Now open a new tab and go to Google. Paste this link or type Google AI Pro for students. Click on the first link. You should now see the student plan page that says, "Get 15 months of AI Premium with a student offer." Once you're on the student offer page, click the button that says Verify Student Status. If you're in the US, UK, Brazil, Japan, or Indonesia, just use your actual school email. Now, if you're not based in one of the officially supported countries, like the US, UK, Brazil, Japan, or Indonesia, don't worry. There's a workaround that people have been using, and it's pretty simple. You can generate a temporary student email, something ending in .edu, using a free service like tempamail.com. I will recommend this to only students. If you can afford it, simply buy the plan, but if you're broke like me, you can try this method. So here's what you do. Open a new browser tab and go to tempamail.com. Solve the CAPTCHA to prove you're not robot. Enter your username and the site will automatically generate a temporary email address for you. You don't need to sign up or do anything complicated. Just copy that email. Again, keep in mind this is more of a workaround and it's meant for educational testing. Always respect the terms of service. Paste the .edu email from Tempamail into the box. Now go back to tempamail.com, refresh the inbox, and look for the email from Google. Copy the verification code and paste it back. If it worked, you'll get a message that says something like, "You're eligible for the Google AI Premium Student Plan." Now don't panic. Yes, Google will ask for a payment method, but you won't be charged. Add a credit debit card or a PayPal, like it's just to activate the subscription system. Add your information. Don't worry, you won't be charged. Now go to Google search for us zip codes. Click on the first link. Scroll down, copy the code and paste it, then click Save. The plan should clearly say $0.00 per month for 15 months. Always double-check the terms before you click Start Trial. It should show your free period duration and mention the billing start date after the trial ends. Once you complete the setup, you'll get a confirmation screen saying your plan is active. Now go check Gemini Chat. You should see the Pro label. Flow, you now have access to generate cinematic videos using VEO 3. Everything is now unlocked, and it's completely free. And that's exactly how I got Google AI Studio Pro and VEO 3 access for 15 months. Absolutely free.
So I already had a Gmail account and I used a VPN and then opened the student offer page and it worked for me. But if you face any issues with the existing account, turn on the VPN and create a USA-based Gmail account, then do this process. All right, let's talk about how to save a ton of credits while using Google VEO 3. Google recently launched the new public version of VEO 3, and while the quality is insane, the credit system can sneak up on you real fast. Here's the deal. Previously, it cost 100 credits to generate one 8-second video with audio. That meant if you were on the Pro plan with 1,000 credits, you could only make 10 videos total. But now, good news, they've optimized the model. Generating one video with audio now costs just 20 credits. That means with the same 1,000 credit Pro plan, you can now create 50 full clips instead of 10. Huge difference. Now, to be clear, this newer version is also faster, which is great, but occasionally it may mess up a detail or two. Maybe the character's satchel flips sides, or the pose is a little off. But honestly, for short-form vlog content like this, it's barely noticeable. In fact, all the Bigfoot, Stormtrooper, and Monkey clips I've shown so far in this video, they were all made using this cheaper version of VEO 3. And I think you'll agree, they look pretty great. Next, let's talk about how to actually generate consistent Bigfoot-style vlogs with the same look, same voice, and zero AI weirdness, using my prompt formula. All right, now let's dive into the part that most people struggle with when using AI video tools. Getting the character to actually stay the same in every scene. Maybe in one shot your Bigfoot has short fur, in the next he's got a mullet, or worse, the voice completely changes mid-vlog. If you're going for any kind of realism or even just meme-level consistency, that's a deal breaker. Here's the formula. Character description, action, camera angle, in environment, lighting. Character name, says in a voice-type voice, dialogue. Let me break it down for you real quick. You always start with a detailed character description. Then describe exactly what they're doing. Add the camera angle, selfie, tripod, POV, etc. Describe the environment and lighting. Cinematic keywords help here. Then end with the exact voice style and the dialogue you want.
In the description, I have added a link to my in-depth guide on creating AI vlogs, where I explained each item of the formula, their examples, character descriptions, environments, camera angles that you can simply copy and paste. Let me show you the first prompt from a vlog I made where Bigfoot, well, let's just say he ate some mushrooms he probably shouldn't have.
Bigfoot. Towering, shaggy, dark reddish-brown fur, primate-like face. Intelligent, dark eyes, walking in a forest holding a selfie stick and talking to the camera. Selfie camera angle shot. In a dense, ancient, temperate rainforest, with dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. Bigfoot says in a deep, resonant, and slightly gruff British male voice, "Guys, I ate some mushrooms today, and they gave my stomach chills." Then he turns the camera to show a small tent in the undergrowth and says, "Look, there's something."
Guys, I ate some mushrooms today, and they gave my stomach chills. Look, there's something.
Now, the clip is overall good, but as you noticed, there are weird subtitles. Unfortunately, this is the problem with VEO 3, that sometimes it may generate these, but Google is trying to fix this issue, so hopefully it'll get fixed soon. Now, another thing that I want to change in the clip is for him to show the tent and say there's a tent instead of something. I am showing the full process here so you'll understand how to create the perfect videos.
Let's tweak the prompt. I'm going to add, look, there's a tent instead of something, and regenerate.
Guys, I ate some mushrooms today and they gave my stomach chills. Look, there's a tent.
As you can see, it's much, much better now. Let's generate the next clips. I am going to paste the next prompts and generate. Bigfoot, towering, shaggy, dark, reddish-brown fur, primate-like face, intelligent, dark eyes, kneeling inside a small nylon hiking tent and exploring its contents with large hands, close-up shot from inside the tent, showing Bigfoot examining various items. In the dimly lit interior of a small hiking tent in a forest setting, Bigfoot says in a deep, resonant, and slightly gruff British male voice, "Let's see what we got here. Guys, please pray that I find some sort of medicine here." He explores the empty bags and finds nothing.
Let's see what we got here. Guys, please pray that I find some sort of medicine here. Let's see what we got.
Now, using that same formula, you can add as many scenes as you want. The best part? The character and environment looks perfectly consistent. By the way, I've dropped a link in the description to my ultimate guide to AI vlogs. In there, you'll get master prompts you can copy and paste, different Bigfoot and Yeti character templates, tons of camera angle variations, environment presets, day, night, forest, street, jungle, desert, and a bunch of bonus tips for making your videos look cinematic without wasting credits. Now, once your clips are ready, go ahead and download them. Import them into a free editor like CapCut, and just drag them into your timeline one after the other. You can add auto subtitles, a bit of ambient forest audio, or just keep it raw, whatever fits your style. Now, I want to hear from you. If you were making your first AI vlog using a character like Bigfoot, a monkey, or even a stormtrooper, what would your vlog idea be? Drop your best vlog concept in the comments. I'd love to see what weird, funny, or viral ideas you come up with. And here's what the finished Bigfoot vlog looks like once it's all stitched together.
Guys, I ate some mushrooms today, and they gave my stomach chills. Look, there's a tent. Let's see what we got here. Guys, please pray that I find some sort of medicine here.
Guys, I couldn't hold any longer and took a shit there. I think one of the hikers saw me. Guys, they found me and they are gonna kill me. Shitting there was a bad idea.
Now, Bigfoot's fun, but here's a niche that's exploding. Stormtrooper Vlogs. Some of these clips are pulling millions of views on shorts and reels. And guess what? Hardly anyone is making them yet. That means you can plant your flag today and ride the wave before it gets crowded. To make this easy, I built a one-stop master prompt that spits out scene ideas and polished VEO 3 prompts. You are generating a short cinematic vlog sequence, 3 to 5 scenes, featuring a chaotic Stormtrooper influencer using Google VEO 3. Character description. Standard Imperial Stormtrooper, full white armor, slightly scratched. Personality, sarcastic, unlucky, always in weird assignments. Body language, size, points, shrugs, expressive despite helmet. Voice, young American male, energetic but clearly over it. Use the same formula. Guidelines, 8-second scenes, selfie/POV/droid cams, lean into visual gags. That's the short version. The full copy-paste ready prompt is waiting in my AI Vlogs guide if you want to skip the tinkering. Here are the prompts it produced in seconds. A standard Imperial Stormtrooper in full white armor and helmet, slightly scratched and weathered, holds a handheld selfie cam in a humid jungle temple ruin. He stands near a massive stone door covered in moss and carvings. Vines hang above him, mist rolls low on the stone floor, and tropical birds shriek in the distance. He sighs, pointing at the door, sarcastically saying in a young American energetic male voice, "Apparently, this door only opens if you have the Force, which I definitely don't." In the background, he presses a glyph and a different wall collapses with a loud crash. He stares silently at the camera. Subtle handheld shake, cinematic jungle lighting, dust in air, 4K photorealistic, expressive body language.
Apparently, this door only opens if you have the Force, which I definitely don't. Apparently, this door only opens if you have the Force, which I definitely don't.
Now, second prompt. A stormtrooper in full white armor, scratched and weathered, holds a handheld selfie cam while pacing through a jungle-covered courtyard of cracked ancient stone. Roots twist through the ground, vines hang overhead, and a warm green light filters through the thick canopy. Insects buzz around him. He rants sarcastically to the camera in a young American energetic male voice. So command says, just scan the ruins, like, oh my stars, is that a leg?
A large alien jungle bug crawls up his shoulder. He freezes and says, "It's fine, I'm fine." The bug flies into the lens, causing a quick static flicker. Slight camera shake, cinematic jungle shadows, 4K photorealistic lighting, expressive gestures. Now let's review the clips we got.
So command says, just scan the ruins. Like, oh my stars, is that a leg? It's fine, I'm fine.
Okay, if I see that weird head again, I'm filing for a transfer to Death Star Janitorial. Yep, there it is, again.
Now, few tips to get the best results. Repeat the armor and helmet detail in every scene. Never assume VEO will carry it over. Mention that the helmet stays on, otherwise you might get weird head reveals. So yeah, Stormtrooper Vlogs are definitely a goldmine right now. Try this out and let me know how it goes.
All right, let's talk monkey vlogs. I know it sounds random, but these are actually getting tons of views. A monkey with a selfie stick walking through a busy city? So I decided to try it and use the same formula you saw earlier, just with a slightly more urban, chaotic setting. And the result? Hilarious, expressive, and honestly, super viral worthy. Here's the prompt I used for the first scene. The setup is a realistic monkey in a red scarf and small backpack walking through the streets of Istanbul, vlogging in selfie mode. A realistic monkey wearing a bright red scarf and a small black hiking backpack walking through a crowded street in Istanbul holding a selfie stick with one hand. The monkey has expressive eyes and a cheerful look as he vlogs his experience, gesturing with his free hand. The street is filled with people, local shops, and food stalls with steam rising from grills. There are old buildings, hanging signs, and Turkish flags in the background. Camera is selfie style, handheld with slight walking motion and realistic movement. Cinematic, golden hour lighting with warm sunlight casting soft shadows and lens flares. Monkey says in a mid-20s American, energetic male voice, "Oh my God, these people are so generous. Ever since I arrived here, haven't spent a penny. Free food everywhere."
Oh my God, these people are so generous. Ever since I arrived here, haven't spent a penny. Free food everywhere.
It came out great. Realistic movement, fun facial expressions, and that golden hour lighting makes the whole thing pop. Now, a quick tip here. When I generated the clip, the monkey's fur came out brown, which looked great. So for scene 2, I made sure to include that in the character description, just to keep things consistent. A realistic monkey with brown fur, wearing a bright red scarf and a small black hiking backpack, holding a selfie stick, sits at a small street cafe in Istanbul with a tiny Turkish coffee cup in hand. And so on.
That's not coffee, that's rocket fuel. I can taste my ancestors.
This one turned out
That's not
hilarious. Once you have the tone, character, and camera style locked in, you can create tons of variations using this method. Coffee shops, food stalls, ancient ruins, subway rides, whatever. Now, following my master prompt, you can create as many variations as possible. I've spent a lot of time testing these out, so comment a heart emoji if you're loving this tutorial. It helps way more than you think, and it seriously motivates me to make more of these AI video guides for you. Now, I went ahead and generated scene 3, and here's what it looks like.
This generous dude gave me a lift, guys. I swear I'm staying here forever.
Now, real quick, let's talk about something that makes or breaks these AI vlogs: character and voice consistency. If you noticed, in every single prompt I used, whether it was Bigfoot, the monkey, or later in the Stormtrooper scenes, I always included the full character description and the voice style. That's not optional. It's the key. If you leave those out, you'll end up with a different face, different body shape, or worse, a random voice that changes every scene. But here's something a lot of people miss. Don't just copy-paste every prompt blindly. Take a second to actually read through it. ChatGPT sometimes skips or rewords things, so just double-check that it includes everything. In my detailed AI vlogs guide, which is linked below, I also included a full list of voice description examples you can use, like energetic Gen Z voices, slow, wise narrators, sarcastic vloggers, stuff you can plug into any character and instantly change the vibe.
Check out the links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more.